Hi boys and girls, I wanted to talk to you a little bit more about a farmer's job. So we all know that farmers take care of animals and feed them and give them water and care for them, but they also have another huge job, and that is planting crops and taking care of fruits and vegetables and getting them to market so that we can enjoy them. And today I brought in my fruits and vegetables from my kitchen, and I wanted to do some fun math with you. Today we're gonna pretend like we're farmers and we've picked our fruits and vegetables and we have to measure them before we send them to the market. All right, let's see what's in my basket. We have celery, my favorite, asparagus, zucchini, so good to eat with those eggs chopped up, an apple, an onion, a pear, broccoli, and another one of my favorites. You know what this is? An avocado. I like to eat these on toast and with my eggs also. All right, so when we're in class, we learned that we can measure things without a ruler. In kindergarten, we really have to practice with non-standard things. So we use snap cubes a lot. Do you remember that? Well, today you're gonna find something in your house that you can measure some fruits and vegetables with. I'm gonna give you some ideas. So you can make it fun and pretend like Cheerios are the chicken grain or grain that you feed animals and measure with Cheerios or whatever cereal you have. I have some farm animals at my house, so you could measure with, if you have farm animals, you can measure with those. Maybe you have little toy figurines you can measure with. I also have little square tiles. So anything like that, blocks would be great to measure with. And then I thought this might be fun too. We can pretend this is sheep fleece and measure with cotton balls. All right, so if you use something really, really tiny, you're gonna need more of those to measure your fruits and vegetables. But if you use something a little bigger, it's gonna take less. So let's see, let's start with the avocado. I'm gonna hold this up and put it on my tray. And I'm going to measure my avocado with squares. And we remember that when we measure things, we have to make sure that we start at the bottom and go all the way to the top and that my squares touch. So hold that up and I'm gonna start at the bottom, put it next to the avocado. Okay, so my avocado is 3 squares long. Let's try it with Cheerios now because I bet it's going to take more Cheerios than squares because they're smaller. Putting them at the end. Make sure they touch and stay close so that you get an accurate count. There we go. Farm at 3, 4, 5, 6. Took me about 6 Cheerios to measure my avocado and 3 squares. All right, let's try another vegetable. Let's try the asparagus. I'm gonna do the asparagus with farm animals. Okay, I'm gonna line them up at the bottom. So far I'm doing my sheep. See if I have enough sheep to do it. Oh, some are smaller. I'm gonna try to use about the same size. Oh, there's a chicken. A hen, looks like a hen. A piggy. A horse. Do another little sheep there. Maybe I could fit one more, I think. Let's try, what is this one? Another horse, just smaller. Okay, so there we go. It took me, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 farm animals long is for my asparagus. Okay, we'll do one more. Let's do a fruit this time. Let's do a pear. And we'll use our sheep fleece, our cotton balls. You ready? Here's my pear, turned it on its side. Okay, way at the end, 1. 2. 3. I went all the way to the stem, so it's about 3 sheep fleece pieces long. All right, so boys and girls, if you have something that snaps, you can also measure things standing up. You would just need like blocks that stack, and you can go the tall way too, or if you have to lay it down like I did, you could do it that way. I can't wait to see pictures or videos of you measuring your fruits and vegetables. Make sure to send those to me.